Let's take a look at dashboards and how they can be a very powerful tool to monitor our data. Let's take a look at AR dashboard. In AR dashboard we have accounts receiving, aging, and we have a pie chart for a graphical representation of that. We've got an AR turn gauge and an OE order history graph. This is depicting this year and last year. So in our accounts receiving aging, let's drill down into our data, and we can see a list of all of our customers, and it's broken down into our buckets. So I'm going to sort by the greater than 90 and go find some high risk AR. And here we have all the AR for our customer 903. And at the top we have a graphical representation showing the invoice date and the due date. So if we sort by the debit and scroll all the way down, we can see the aging due date at the end here, and this particular invoice is for $2 million and it's 175 days past due. So we can drill into the invoice, and we can see all the other items that are on this invoice, and we can also reprint the invoice by clicking the button. And then once the invoice launches, we can print it or we can export it. Now we're looking at these invoices, and we may want to call the customer and ask him why he hasn't paid on these invoices. And I'm sure we're going to get an earful about how the economy's been bad and he can't pay. So let's be nice about it, and we're going to change the due date on the invoice. So we may tell the customer, okay, I'm going to change the due date to today, and I'm going to call you back in 30 days. Now watch the graph when I click refresh here. So we're going to take some of the AR out of our over 90 and we're going to put it into the less than 30 category. Okay, so just by a click of a button we change the due date, and so that's a very powerful tool of monitoring our data and then drilling down to analyze the data behind the graphs and then taking action to change our data and the transactional data behind it.